Right, for this measure, you're going to need the measuring sheet which we provide, a measuring device, whether it be a tape measure or a measuring stick, and the right size set of ladders that are fit for purpose. Now we're going to measure the lantern. We've decided that this side is our motor side, so that is going to be A1. The middle is A2, and then the opposite end is A3. Then we're going to measure the length on the two sides, which is the B1 and the B2 on the measuring sheet. For this measuring today, I've decided to use my measuring stick. You can use a tape measure or a laser measure, whichever you prefer, but I will stress that accuracy is very important. As you can see with this lantern, there's a PVC trim. So you need to measure under this trim and not fasten to it, as behind it is normally a void and it won't be a good fix. So what you need to do is measure under the trim, leaving about a 25mm gap, but make sure that your measuring device is pushed right into each corner to get an accurate measurement. Now that we've measured the first side, we're going to measure all the remaining sides to fill in the sheet using the same method.